An injury is so much more than just a physical setback. It can really disrupt your entire life. Here at Next Level, we believe recovery isn't just about healing, it's about rebuilding from the ground up. So let's walk through our approach to help you come back even stronger than before. Does this sound familiar? You absolutely love being active, but an injury has you stuck on the sidelines. And maybe every time you try to get back to it, you feel that little twinge, that hesitation, that sense of just being stuck. It's a really frustrating place to be, and honestly, it's a problem we solve here every single day.
And these aren't just physical things, are they? They're huge mental hurdles. We hear this from our clients all the time. That nagging pain that just won't go away. A feeling of weakness or instability where you used to feel solid, and a real loss of confidence in what your body can do. And of course, the biggest one of all, that fear that you're gonna hurt yourself all over again.
So how do we get past all of this? Well, let's start by talking about who our approach is really for and what kinds of setbacks we're designed to help you overcome.
Look, you don't have to be a professional athlete to deserve a professional level recovery. Our program is designed for you, the person who hits the gym after work, the weekend warrior, the casual athlete. It's for anyone who's active and wants to do this the right way by building a truly resilient body instead of just rushing back and hoping for the best.
In our clinical experience, we've seen it all. Our physiotherapists treat everything from common muscle strains and ligament sprains to those really persistent issues like tendon pain or runner's knee. But where we really shine is with those frustrating, recurring injuries. The ones that are usually caused by some hidden issue in how you move. Okay, so why does pain sometimes stick around long after you think it should have healed? This gets to the very core of our philosophy at Next Level. It's often about something much deeper than the initial injury itself. This right here is the aha moment for so many of our clients. Your body is an expert at compensating. After an injury, it finds new, less than ideal ways to move to protect that sore area. The tissue itself might heal, but if those poor movement patterns stick around, well, the pain and the risk of re-injury stay right there with them. True recovery isn't just about healing, it's about retraining your body to move the way it's supposed to. And that's exactly why we don't just look at your sore knee or your aching shoulder. Our entire process starts with a really detailed assessment. We basically become detectives, looking at your whole body to find the real source of the problem. That way, we can build a plan that delivers lasting results, not just a temporary patch-up job. During this assessment, we go deep. We'll talk about how the injury actually happened, and we'll take a close look at your training routine. But then we get hands-on, evaluating your mobility, your strength, and the specific movement patterns you use in your sport. We're hunting for those subtle compensations that could be putting all that extra stress on your body. Once we have that complete picture, that's when we can build your personalized roadmap back to activity. And this isn't guesswork, it's a structured, step-by-step plan. Our path has a few really important stages. It all starts with hands-on therapy to get your joints and tissues moving freely again. From there, we begin progressive strengthening that's tailored specifically to you. Next, we build in balance and stability work. Then, we retrain your movement patterns to fix those faulty mechanics. And finally, we guide you through a carefully managed plan to get you back to doing what you love. Now, this is absolutely crucial. There's no one-size-fits-all timeline. Your recovery is totally unique. We progress your program based on what your body is telling us, on hitting specific milestones of strength and control. We make sure you're truly ready for each next step. Our commitment to your recovery doesn't just stop when you walk out our door. The support you get is continuous, and it's designed to empower you through your entire journey back to full strength. We make sure you have all the tools you need to succeed. That means clear home exercise programs so you know exactly what to do between sessions, practical advice on how you can safely modify your training, and the knowledge to recognize the signs of doing too much. We teach you how to find that perfect balance between pushing yourself and getting enough rest. We also get that life is busy, so for extra convenience and flexibility, especially in the early stages of recovery, we offer our full sports rehab services through our home physiotherapy sessions too. All right, let's talk about the ultimate goal. Because for us, recovery isn't just about getting you back to where you were before the injury. It's about taking you to the next level. So what does this progress actually feel like? Well, it's the feeling of moving without that constant, nagging pain. It's noticing your strength coming back, and with it, your confidence just soaring.
It's feeling a whole new level of control and stability in your movements, so you can return to your sport not with fear, but with genuine, earned assurance.
And this really highlights the difference in our approach. When you go it alone, it's so easy to rush back or ignore those underlying weak spots, which just leads to the same injury happening over and over. In contrast, our structured return to activity builds true resilience so you can move with lasting confidence. And that's our promise. Our ultimate focus isn't just to patch you up and send you on your way. It's to analyze how you move, strengthen your foundation, and give you the tools to perform better, more efficiently, and more safely than you did even before you got hurt. So, if a sports injury is holding you back, it's time to stop feeling stuck and start moving forward. It's time to get back to what you love, with real, true confidence in your body. We're here to guide you every step of the way.